Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going grocery shopping and I figure I'll just take you guys along with me. So first stop, I'm heading to the meat shop. Gonna get some meat. I normally get ground beef, whole wings, leg quarter or drumsticks, and turkey neck. I love turkey neck. And also stewed beef. Yeah, beef ribs. Is it beef ribs? Beef, something beef. Beef cuts. I don't know what they call it, but it's probably beef cuts. So that's where I'm heading now. I'm going to the meat shop, and then I'm going to two grocery shops. Normally have to shop around to get everything that I need and at a decent price. Yeah, it's seafood and meat produce. Okay.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me.
I'm finished with the meat shop. I'm heading to the actual grocery store.
Would you date me on the regular? Tell me would you? Well baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
I'm gonna get some fruits and veggie. I normally get Brussels sprouts, green beans, broccoli, carrots. Yeah, stuff like that. Fruit wise, I normally just get banana. Strawberry, too expensive, right? The hell. Looking for my almond milk. I don't think they have it. No, this is not what I normally get. I don't like this. This is nasty. I don't know what extra creamy means. I don't like that. So no almond milk for me today. Let's check the next store, but for now, no milk. I'm gonna get some yogurt, but it's cheaper at the next place, so no. I need butter. Let me get a stick. Yes. I use Blue Bonnet. Guys, I'm finished with one store, but food prices are getting ridiculous. I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. Gonna show you guys everything that I got, and then like an estimate of what I pay for it. But I'm heading to the next store now. Almost finished. Normally just go to 2 stores and the meat shop. So 3. Oh, and then I have to go to the water depot. Get a full 2 5-gallon bottle of water. So I'm not done, but I want to be done so I can go home and relax. And I ain't even started cooking yet. I gotta cook. It's Sunday. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. I normally cook Sunday dinner late, and that's a bad habit that's not Jamaican style, because in Jamaican household back home, you wake up and you go straight to cooking. Start cooking from 10 o'clock, 9-10 o'clock in the morning. So food finish like 1-2 o'clock. But I came here and I just fall into this bad habit, and I cook starting like 2-3 o'clock. So food finished by 6 o'clock, eating dinner at 7 o'clock. It's a bad habit, I don't know. Probably need to change it. But what time do you guys cook Sunday dinner? Not regular dinner like throughout the week, because if you're working, I know that go like you get off at 5, start cooking at 5:30, 6. Yeah, so at least that's what I do. What I really need from the next spot is like lime, ginger, onion, garlic. Oh yeah, I forgot onion. I should have got it there. Wow. And seasoning, because it's cheaper at this location. So I'll see you guys inside. I'm at the next store and they still don't have my milk. Like, it's almost this vanilla, but I don't do that reduced sugar thing. It should be regular, original. So I don't know. I might have to take that for this week. Okay, but I need eggs. Where the price? Okay. $3.95. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living with thinking of times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, this you touch. Yep, she's good. I have to check my eggs, guys. I checked my eggs. I'm just using a card. I need ginger. Okay, I see ginger. I need ginger and garlic and onion. Okay, I'm done for the day. I got my water. My water right here. So I'm heading home now. I'll see you guys home when I'm showing you everything that I got and letting you know the estimate of how much I spent for these little bit of groceries. God, I don't know. Food shortage going on, so whatever you do get, it's like the prices are inflated. Okay guys, so this is what I got. Bleach, generic, cereal, 2 tissue, get some peas, bananas, cream, lime, ginger, onion, some malt, Gatorade, broccoli, egg. I should have gotten 2 eggs, butter, and for the cats, cat food, I have my oats for my shakes and stuff like that. Some pumpkin, potato, onion. I said onion already. Limes. That's about it. The meat. Yeah. So this is beef neck. That's what I was trying to remember earlier. Beef neck, ground beef, leg quarters, turkey neck, and some chicken wings. Yeah. So everything came up to $110. The meat was $35 and some change, and then everything else came up to $110. But look at these little bit of things, man, for $100. Come on, this can last.
But you give it back. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile.